Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. This week I'm trying the wash now and style later method, so let's get into it. Happy holidays guys! Just a quick message from me. I hope you're having a wonderful time with family and your loved ones. So now let's get back into the video. So I have seen several videos and as you can see my hair is wrapped because I wasn't gonna film myself washing my hair, especially because I just shampoo and condition. I don't do anything special in there. But yeah, I washed my hair yesterday and I've seen several videos about this, and my hair would probably looking like a helmet right now because that's how it feels. Like it needs moisture. So let's see how my hair looks in its natural state. So this is how my hair air dries because I didn't blow dry or anything. I didn't want to damage it. But this is how my hair looks naturally. In general, my hair tends to be poofy because of the weather here in Panama. The humidity is always high, so hair is always, the cuticle is always lifted, so tends to be lifted because of the humidity, and I need gel to hold, or stronghold foams and you know, products that actually hold and coat the hair in order for it to define. But essentially this is how my hair looks naturally, with no products on. I sprayed some leave-in conditioner, but I will spray now some more because I'll probably need to detangle. So anyway, the wash now and style later method, it's essentially that I'm gonna style my hair now that it's completely dry. You wash your hair whenever you can, and then you style it whenever you can. And apparently it's supposed to save you time and so on and so on. I don't know, probably will give me lots of volume because it won't be soaking wet, but I'm gonna try to wet it as much as I can because I know my hair needs moisture. So yeah, I'm gonna wet my hair and I don't know, I'm just gonna style it and see how this goes. I'm gonna try to find the benefits of this technique and maybe the pros and cons, and I'll leave that to editing Gerardo later while I'm doing all this, because I don't know. I'm just gonna give you my thoughts on my first impression of doing this for the first time. The most close things that I've done similar to this is probably refreshing my curls, which I have done. Essentially what I've done is wet the top of my hair and use my brush, my goodie brush, to restyle the top curls that land here, so it looks like it's styled, but essentially it's just dirty hair. I have to wash my hair, but in a pinch you know you do all those things in order to make your wash day last long. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back with my hair when it's all styled. So I didn't know this technique was coined by Curly Fit Mom at Instagram, but I found out about it from Mel at Mains by Mel here on YouTube, whom, if you have been living under a rock, she's a hairstylist that specializes on curly hair. She and her sister Amanda gave out really good information on hair care and scalp care and health, so definitely check them out. So Mel pinpoints the following as pros. For example, she points out that it's time saving because you cut your styling in half. Your hair feels fresh without any products, but on my curly hair it didn't. It actually felt frizzy and dry, as it also happens to hair. It allows you to know your hair and treat it intuitively, and also the hair dries faster. To me it took roughly the same amount of time when I styled because I had to really wet my hair in order to style it without any frizz. And as cons, it takes longer because you use 2 days to do your hair. It may cause damage or breakage caused by friction depending on the porosity of your hair. it may cause mechanical damage, which happens when you manipulate your hair too much, as in brushing or putting on up tight in buns or with hair ties, and it may cause high grade fatigue caused by the moisture coming in and out the hair through due to its swelling, and it may cause some color fading that only matters if your hair is colored. But in my case, it's not colored, so I don't have any issue with that. But besides the ones before that she points out. So guys, this is the final results. Let me show you an up close of the curls. I think there is some, these ones are a little frizzy. I think maybe it's because I didn't water it enough, so it locked in the frizz that was already from the day before when I watched it. You see the curls are defined, actually don't look that bad. This side looks better. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you make out of this technique? I don't know. Like I said, I've only done it like a couple of times by refreshing my hair when it's dry and I have to wet it again and apply, basically same products I use every time I style my hair. But I've never styled my hair dry. And to be honest, putting aside all the cons and pros of doing this, I don't like it. I feel like I need a shower. I feel dirty, even though my hair it's cleaned because I washed it yesterday. I feel like I'm styling my hair already dirty, and it's only been a day. So yeah, I don't know what to make out of it. The hair, it looks, I don't know, fine. We'll see how long it lasts, because it feels here like the cast is not very well. It actually feels like a day 2 or 3 of a wash day, and I don't know if it's worth it, all the work, because it's not like it's saving you time. You're washing your hair one day and then you're styling it whenever, so you're taking apart time from your weekday to actually do your hair, when in fact you can actually just do it one day a week, which is why I normally do. Now because I'm doing the channel, I'm doing all the hairstyles and doing my hair and styling my hair. I've changed and I vary the day of the way where I do my hair, but most of the times the video you see is the video of the hair that I wear during the whole week. So before I was only choosing to do my hair on Sundays, because Sundays was easy for me in my, during doing my work and doing everything, that I found that I had enough time that I can dedicate it to my hair. I style my hair, wash my hair, detangle, style my hair, and yeah, I used to air dry because I had shorter hair, but now that it's very long, I would diffuse, and I use Sundays, time where I can put my time into caring for my hair. And doing this is just, I think it's, I don't know, maybe if you don't really have any time, maybe it cuts you time and you would actually just wash your hair and maybe do it whenever you're going out. Could be. But also you're touching your hair a lot, and curly hair, it tends to create knots and tangle a little because of the pattern of the hair. Even though I can push around my hair through my curls, they get stuck together because that's the nature of curly hair. They tangle each other. And if I'm detangling one day and I have to detangle again when I'm styling, what's the point of washing my hair and not styling it right after I shower? I'm sure there are many other ways to go about this. I have certainly done a proper wash and go where you don't spend 20 or 40 minutes doing your hair. I'm gonna leave the link here. I make this video a while ago. Um, but yeah, there are ways that you can go doing your hair and styling your hair without spending so much time. You only have to spend so much time because you want to dedicate time to your hair. Um, but yeah, I don't know. Probably this is gonna be the last time. Although many of the things that I did today work perfectly fine if I were to refresh my hair. For example, if tomorrow or in the next couple of days, this part of my hair or maybe some pieces of hair are not, looking frizzy and I have to restyle it again, I can always go back in with a little bit of water and a little bit of gel or a little bit of the whole the leave-in conditioner, the curling cream, and the gel just to shape it up again, and I don't have to wash my whole head until it's my wash day. But I guess there's no real point of doing this. I don't know if it works for you. Just keep on doing what you do for your hair because everybody's head is different. I just prefer to, have a fresh head, and right now I don't feel like my scalp is fresh. I don't feel my hair clean. I feel it's quite dirty, and I actually want to wash it, but I'll try not to cave in into the temptation of washing my hair and see how long this this styling lasts. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!